Fly Agaric. Dreams. So it's like, essentially it's like a Maki sushi rice roll, but as a pudding. So it's got rice pudding in it that is flavoured with elderflower cordial. And then the Fly Agaric roll has been created by detoxing the Fly Agaric and blending together in a food processor with sugar and cinnamon and cloves. And that's been spread out on a dehydrator sheet and dried at a high heat for about 5 hours. And then the rice pudding has been wrapped in that. Then we've put some beetroot-based food colouring on top and then rolled that in coconut, just to bring it back to what it was originally, like the Fly Agaric. So that's what we're celebrating
No flies
here.
on you, Fergus.
So there we are.
Can you tell us really quickly, please, what we have here and here? Just
So here we did you miss the amazing cool sauce?
I did. I need to hear it one more time.
So here we have birch polypore gathered in a stage where you can just break it, and we've sliced it into you can see like 3 or 4 millimeters, and boiled it in 12 changes of water, and then cooked it in a strong sea buckthorn syrup over like 3 days, not constantly for 3 days, but 3 times in 3 days. And then that was that. And this weird thing, it's called wannabe ice cream, also known as delicious, cool sea buckthorn and birch sap
And
sauce.
and
Oh, the main. Oh, yeah. The thing that's quite radical about this is that this wannabe ice cream is made predominantly, in terms of the bulk component. Well, I would say no, maybe like 30% of Fly Agaric detox Fly Agaric mushrooms, but it's also a coconut-based ice cream as well.
Cashew and coconut.
Cashew.
Yes, vegan ice cream, vegan Fly Agaric ice cream.
Vegan Fly Agaric.
There's also, for the savoury tooth, there's still a load of dumplings and sauce. So just choose your poison.
Yeah, that's a fortress of word, though.